I'm Mark Williams in Birmingham. I will share VMware's vision of end-user computing by first telling about Morgan County Schools, who has already begun the journey to VMware's end-user computing platform. Over a year ago, rather than doing a traditional PC refresh and getting stuck with 1,200 desktops for the next 5 years, they deployed virtual desktops. Since then, help desk calls have dropped by 90%. Energy costs have fallen by $30,000 per year. Application deployment has gone from 1 week down to 4 hours. Migrating to Windows 7 literally happened overnight. They say that VMware has provided more stability and adaptability and a better desktop experience. That experience typifies what VMware's end-user computing vision is all about. Here is a big picture look at our end-user computing platform. On the left are various types of applications, including Windows apps, SaaS and mobile apps, and enterprise apps. We simplify those silos of technologies by turning them into managed services for desktops, applications, and data. We provide a centralized point of management for IT to define who gets what and the associated policies. And we let users connect to those services using the device of their choice. The journey to our end-user computing platform has 3 phases. Phase 1 is improve what you have now, meaning take your existing Windows desktops and virtualize them using View and ThinApp, like Morgan County Schools did. With View, desktops are decoupled from PC hardware and run as virtual machines in the data center. This desktop service is managed centrally. End users, using the device of their choice, are connected to the appropriate virtual desktop session. ThinApp can be used with View to virtualize Windows applications, decoupling them from the Windows OS. Once packaged and encapsulated into self-contained bubbles, ThinApps can be moved onto a network share and streamed to desktops on demand. Because ThinApps are isolated, you can run IE6 and IE9 side by side on a desktop without conflicts. Phase 2 of the journey is embrace the cloud, where we address SaaS apps, web apps, mobile apps, and so forth. The product in this phase is called Horizon. Horizon Application Manager allows IT to create an application store. IT has a central point of management and control for those applications, allowing enterprise policies to be extended to public cloud SaaS applications. For users, Horizon provides single sign-on, simplifying the way they connect to applications. If an employee leaves, you disable access to all applications, including SaaS apps, in one fell swoop. For mobile apps, we have Horizon Mobile. An employee with a personal phone can personalize it as they wish. A virtual work phone can be provisioned to that same device. The work phone and personal phone coexist, yet are completely isolated. If the device gets lost, no worries. The work image is encrypted and can be wiped remotely. Phase 3 of the journey is escape to your cloud, with new ways to deliver legacy apps, manage data, and collaborate. Solutions include Project App Blast, which delivers legacy apps via a browser. Applications can be accessed universally using a simple HTML5 interface. This works for Windows, Linux, and even Macintosh applications. Project Octopus provides data sync and sharing. It's like Dropbox, but can be deployed on-premise with access policies and security. A user can save a file on their iPad and it syncs with their desktop. New VMware end-user apps leverage web and social media paradigms to enhance the experience of creating and sharing content. Applications like SlideRocket, SocialCast, Strides, and Zimbra are easy to use, lightweight to deploy and manage, and encourage communication and collaboration. Ultimately, users want simple, consistent, universal access to their apps and their data, and an experience native to the device being used at the time. At the same time, IT wants a better way of managing and controlling end-user assets. VMware's end-user computing platform delivers on both ends. Please call your VMware sales rep or valued reseller. We can help you get started with the proof of concept so you can begin your journey today.